Welcome to Iman's World. Let's get started. Let's go. Amazing benefits of Moringa you didn't know. It can boost hair health. Moringa helps to build your muscles. It may support kidney functions. It helps to boost immunity. It helps in fighting against bacteria. It can increase blood antioxidant levels. It helps to improve bone health. It is great for the skin. It may lower blood sugar levels. Moringa tea. How to make moringa tea. Bring water to bowl. Add green tea and moringa leaves to the water in almost equal quantities. Turn off the gas and brew for 3 minutes. Strain and serve. Add sweetener of your choice. You can also add grated ginger, turmeric, crushed tulsi leaves, whatever is available to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.